Hi, I'm Desmond. I'm in my 40s and I'm working as an information security officer.
Hi, I'm Mabel, 40s too, as a business manager in the IT industry.
This is an executive apartment located in Bukit Panjang. The reno took 8 weeks and we moved in July 2024. Coming in the house will be the foyer, followed by the dining and the living room. On the left, you'll be met by the island and the coffee area. So to the left is the kitchen and opposite it will be the study room. Walking down the walkway will be the common toilet, followed by our son's bedroom, and then meet by the walk-in wardrobe with the master bedroom on the right and the study on the left.
I think there are a couple of factors when you are looking for a flat. I think size and the layout is one of the key factors.
After talking to John, our ID, he actually suggested to go for a mix, meaning Industrial Muji, because we also like a bit of warmth, because pure industrial is a bit too cold, but then we want to have a warm feeling when coming back.
I think storage space, right, is definitely one of the requirements. So we hope to have more storages, so therefore there are more card pantries.
My favorite spot definitely will be my coffee corner. So that's where I finally have a place to set up all the coffee toys and everything to do all the coffees.
My favorite corner, definitely the kitchen and the island. I think John has been very nice, so he has been trying to create something for me to fulfill my wish list. So he actually extended the island out there. We enjoy, the overall outlook. I think home is always a very comfortable environment, a space, right, that you can be yourself and have happy moments with your family.